So this video is regarding vaccine and herd immunity. You must be knowing what is vaccine. It will protect against any microbe, bacteria, virus, mostly virus. So everyone is waiting for the vaccine. Some are saying it will come in September. Some say after 2 years, but no one knows the exact date. Everyone knows that vaccine is the final solution to beat corona, but it's not like that vaccine will come for sure. It may not come. So you will, as I said, corona will never go. It will be the part of our life for so long, maybe the total life or whole life. So you'll have to adjust with it. The only way is a herd immunity. Even Europe has a European Prime Minister and so many of the scientists have proposed this concept of herd immunity. That it's very necessary to know about herd immunity and make oneself immune. That is the only solution, because vaccine may or may not come. So first, to understand herd immunity, you will have to understand how any infectious disease, whatever it may cause by bacteria or virus, how it spreads. So suppose this person is infected, means he is corona positive. Suppose he come into contact with two person, these both are negative, but now as he come into contact with these two, he will transmit the infection. Now this both will be corona positive, means they are infected now. Now these come into contact with another two, he will also spread the infection. These come into contact with another two, he will spread the infection. Like in such a way, whole community will be infected. This how any infection spread, whatever, corona or other virus or other bacteria. So how to stop? Make oneself immune, means anyhow if I increase the immunity of a person, then after what happen? If anyhow virus enter in his body, but he will not cause the disease. That is the way. Okay. So we can understand, suppose these both are now immune. I have increased their immunity. Now what happen? If these both come into contact with this will not infected. This will not infected because they are already immune, they have high immunity. So now first advantage, these are now safe from this. This was corona positive. Now these are protected from him because they have high immunity. And second and main advantage, as they are now corona negative, they will never transmit infection to this and this. So now whole chain is broken. And this is the concept of herd immunity. Word herd means group of people. Means we'll have to make group of people immune, we'll have to increase their immunity, so they will not be infected and they will not also transmit the infection. These are the concept of herd immunity. It's very useful. So make yourself immune. Now you are protected and whole community is also protected. And how to increase the immunity, I will tell in the third video. Thank you.